Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to sew a lap zip. Begin by preparing your fabric. Mark the point where you want your zip to stop and then sew all the way down. Once you're done with that, open the seams and press, including the zip opening. Decide where you want to be your underlap and your overlap. Secure the zip with your pin. You want your fabric to be closer to the tip of the zip. I have gone ahead to pin it down. The right will be my overlap. So go ahead and sew it all the way down to the point you mark. I am using zipper foot on the right. Backstitch and sew all the way down to the mark. Once you're done with that, place the lap part on it. Secure it with your pin and sew all the way down. Once you're done, go ahead and sew it. But this time, you need to change your zipper foot to the left. Fill the zip with your hand so you don't sew on it. Once you get to the mark, with your needle still in your fabric, lift up your foot and rotate your fabric. After that, sew it to the end of the seam and backstitch as always. The finished work should look like this, having the overlap and underlap. Give it a nice press and it's all done.